Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to manage notifications in the Vimeo app on your phone. If you find yourself receiving too many alerts and want to control which notifications you see, this guide will help you easily customize your settings for a more focused experience. First, open the Vimeo app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, tap on Profile icon at the top left. Next, in your Profile menu, select the Account option. Then find the Push Notifications section. Here, you will see a list of notifications such as likes, comments, replies, and other activity alerts. Review each type of notification carefully. Finally, turn off any notifications that you do not want to receive. Simply toggle the switch next to each notification type to disable it. This will ensure that you only get alerts that matter to you and reduce unnecessary interruptions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.